Hello guys, today we're going to still continue with chapter number 9. It is lesson 9.6 where it says leasing a vehicle. Okay, rather than purchase a vehicle, you might want to lease one. So when you lease a vehicle, you make a monthly payments the same as when you're buying a car, and to the leasing company, the dealer, or the bank for 2 to 5 years. You do not own the car. When you lease a vehicle, you don't own the car. Essentially you're renting the car. So the objective of this lesson, it is the student will be able to calculate the total cost of leasing a vehicle by using only one formula, guys. So the essential of leasing a car, it is that you are renting it, okay? So there is 2 ways to lease a car. The first one is close-end lease. What is that? It is the most common of the leases. So which is that you sign a contract that allows you to use the vehicle for 2 to 5 years, okay? It is a set time of the period by making a specified number of payments, and you're returning, the car, and you own nothing except for 2 things. Once you make a damage to the car, second, you exceed the miles limit. Okay, so you need to pay attention to that. The next one, it is open-end lease. It is exactly the same as that one, but it's a contract as well. But at the end of it, you have the option to buy the car for its residual value. What that means? Okay, you lease a pickup for 2 years or 3 years. So the pickup truck, it was, when you lease it, it was $30,000, okay? Because it wasn't a new one. And you lease the car. And at the end of those 3 years, that truck, the value of the truck, it is, I'm going to say $10,000. So at the end of the lease, because you have an open-end lease, you can buy the car for $10,000. If it is closed, you just return the car and nothing happens. Okay? So for both of them, closed-end lease and open-end lease, you must pay what? All your monthly payments, the security deposit, a title fee, and a license fee. Personally, guys, I don't like the idea of renting a car or leasing a car. I don't like the idea because at the end, you don't get to keep the car, right? But a lot of companies, they list the car instead of buying the cars because they can deduct that money for the taxes. That's why, the companies lease the cars. In the example, this is 9.6. So Marco Hamner decided, to lease a Jeep rather than buy one. He puts down a deposit of $3,000 and agrees to pay $279 per month for 48 months. In addition, he pays a title fee of $99 and a license fee of $42. So what is the thing that we're going to do? I told you it is only one formula. So to find the total lease cost, it is number of payments times amount of payment. what I'm gonna do with that, I'm gonna add as well the deposit. I'm gonna add the title fee, and I'm going to add the license fee. So in this case, he rented the car for 48 months, okay, and he used to pay $279. I'm going to multiply that plus the deposit. He made a deposit of $3,000 plus the title fee that it was $95 plus the license fee, which is $42. So at the end, he paid $16,525 for how many years? For 2 years. It was 48 months. It was a lot of money. And at the end, he didn't get to keep the car. Okay, it was a very easy lesson, very short one. So, but you still have questions, please don't hesitate and let me know. I'm here to help you. Okay, bye guys.